Hello dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. Dear students, today I will explain the exercise of chapter 4. So dear students, please open page number 45, okay, and look at the section A, that is tick the correct answer. Okay, section A is tick the correct answer. Okay, dear students, now look, first question is the font group is present on the home tab. Okay, the right answer is home tab. Insert tab is wrong and design tab is also wrong. Only the right answer is home tab. Now come to the question number 2. This effect on the text darker than the normal text. Okay, here are three options. Option number A is wrong, option number B is also wrong, option number C is correct answer. Okay, now come to the question number 3. Question number 3 is, it is a special set of character, number or symbol with specific size and design. Okay, so your right answer is superscript. Okay, font is wrong answer and bullet is also wrong answer. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, this option places the text slightly below the baseline. Okay, dear students, as you all know, that option places the text slightly below the baseline is called subscript. Okay, the right answer is subscript. Superscript is wrong answer and none of these is also wrong. Subscript is the right answer. Okay, now come to the question number 5. Question number 5 is, which button removes all the applied formatting from the selection? Okay, so option number A is correct answer, clear all formatting. Okay, dear students, once again look at the question number first. The font group is present on the home tab and this effect on the text darker than the normal text. Option C is correct answer. Question number 3, it is a special set of characters, numbers or symbol with a specific size or design. The answer superscript. Option C is correct answer. Question number 4, this option places the text slightly below the baseline. Your option number A is right answer, subscript. And then question number 5 is, which button remove all the applied formatting from the selection? Option A is the right answer, clear all formatting. Okay, dear students, now come to the section B, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Question number first is, the default font of Word 2016 is. Okay, the default font of Word 2016 is Calibri body. Okay, you have to fill here Calibri body. Okay, now question number second is, there are dash text case option available in Word. Dear students, you have to fill here 5. Okay, you have to fill here 5. Now question number third is, dash option align the text, dash option align the selected text evenly between the left and the right margin of the page. Dear students, you have to fill here justify. Okay, now come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, a dash list is used when the order of information is important. Okay, so you have to fill here numbered list. Okay, just wait students. In question number 3, you have to fill justify, and this will be 3rd. Okay, it was my mistake. I have to write here 3rd. Okay, once again look, question number 1st, you have to fill here Calibri body, and second there are 5 text case, and in question number 3rd you have to fill justify. Okay, and question number 4, a numbered list, you have to fill here numbered, and in question number 5 the dash text is marked as important, so you have to fill here highlighted. Okay students, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में आपको कैलिबरी बॉडी फिल करना है, सेकेंड में 5, थर्ड में जस्टिफाई, फोर्थ में नंबर्ड, एंड फिफ्थ में आपको फिल करना है हाईलाइटेड. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन, दैट इज आंसर इन वन वर्ड. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 is what is the default font size in Word 2016? Dear students, as you all know, 11 is the default font size in Word 2016. Okay, you have to fill here 11. Okay, now question number 2 is name the text case that change only the first letter of the selected text into uppercase. Okay, dear students, you have to fill here sentence case. Okay, sentence case, SENTENCE CASE. Okay, sentence case. Now come to the question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is which tool is used to apply the exact formatting of an text to another section of text. Okay, so dear students, you have to fill here format painter. Okay, format painter. Now come to the question number 4. On which tab is the alignment option available? You have to fill here home tab. Okay, home tab. Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5 is name the font style option that makes the selected text appear slanting to the right. You have to fill here italic. Okay, italic is the right answer for this question. So dear students, you have to fill here italic. Once again listen from question number 1. Question number 1 is what is the default font size in Word 2016? The answer of this question is 11. You have to fill here 11. Question number 2, name the text case that change only the first letter of selected text into uppercase. Answer is sentence case. Okay, sentence case. Question number 3 is which tool is used to apply the exact formatting of one text to another section of text? Answer is format painter. FORMAT PAINTER, format painter. Okay, now question number 4 is on which tab is the alignment option available. Dear students, home tab is the right answer for this question. Okay, home tab. You have to fill here home tab. Then after question number 5 is name the font style option that makes the selected text appear slanting to the right. You have to fill here italic. ITALIC, italic. Okay students, now the next section, that is answer the following question. I will explain tomorrow in the next video. Okay students, bye bye, good day.